Hello, traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here with me. The reason I'm making this video tonight is because I am live in two trades. This is the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame, and this is the Aussie JPY on the 1 minute time frame. And I'll tell you what I'm shooting for in each pair. This Euro USD, I'm shooting for 20 pips, and the reason for that is because of the crinkliness of the moving averages, and so I'm thinking 20 pips is probably um, a pretty safe thing to shoot for here. As far as this Aussie JPY, I'm shooting for 30 pips simply because the moving averages are sweet smooth, and I'm looking to wow, they're going up pretty nicely. So far, I'm in profit. And when I take a trade, what I try to do, and sometimes I do not do this because I'll look at the money and it's so sweet, I'll go ahead and take it off the table. But um, so tonight I'm looking for a quick 50 pips. But my thing is either I'm going to be stopped out or I'm going to hit my take profit. That's pretty much it. So one of the two things is going to happen. And I'll tell you why it was I took these trades. Now, between the three pair that I traded last night, I traded the Euro JPY, the Aussie JPY, and the Euro USD. And between all three of those pairs, they fell down about 500 pips in the last 24 hours. So I needed a good strong break above this 200 period before I would even dare consider getting in on the counter trend. Now, overall, all three of these pairs, the bearish, I'm only in these two tonight, just looking for a quick 50 pips, and then I'm out of the market for now until the European session. But I just wanted to show you this simply because in some of my other videos you've heard me talk about the right now advantage. So a lot of the things that you see me showing you is past price action. So I wanted to show you me in a trade live what it is that I look for and how it is that I choose, because I know I always talk about it based on past price action, but how it is that I choose my entries, what it is I'm looking for, and the advantage that I'm seeking. Again, um, what I wanted here. Now, a lot of times, if it's a regular market day where you're going up and down, then the best place to go ahead and take that cross is past the 50 period. However, because of all of the strong bearish price action, I chose to take it above the 200 period. And you can see I needed a lot of evidence to go ahead and go above that 200 today. So, and it was because of all of the strong bearish price action. And you can see it seems that the market is moving against me. Like I said, we're either going to hit take profit or we're going to bust, one of the two. Okay, guys, I'm going to come back and show you what's happened as a result so far. You can see that they have come down and tested my my entry on both pairs. So despite what things look like on in past price action, you get a lot of this in real life. However, it is the direction of my moving averages that I am looking to. So I'm still looking to get 30 pips here and 20 pips there. Okay, guys, looks like we are back in business. I would like to go ahead and hit these take profits pretty soon, but anytime you have, and if you get to the point where you're breaking the smaller moving averages, if you want to get out and you're still in profit, you can do that and re-enter once you get the rejection candle with the confirmation. You can do that too. I just prefer to go ahead and stay in and see what happens. It is totally up to you. But this is the time of day that the market doesn't move incredibly fast. So like I said, that's why I'm in for a quick 50 tonight. Guys, you know, I wish that I had set this one at 20 and this one at 15 tonight. You're about to see me duck out on you simply because I want to watch Superman 2 tonight. So I'm not going to ride this trade out. I'm going to go ahead and close out. I'm in a nice profit on both of them, and I'm going to close them out. Now this is everything on the 15-minute time frame, and the truth is price just is not moving fast enough for me tonight. Um, like I said, I think I'm gonna do 10 here and 20 here, call it a 30 pip night, and I'll get up during the European session when I'm more patient and do this again. Alright guys, we're out of that one. Oh, thank God. Now this is the thing about this Euro USD, it keeps kissing. It keeps kissing that 10 pip thing, and you'll see how it just drops. But I at least wanted to show you guys what it looks like when I enter a trade in real time. It's just that this is during the Asian session. My patience is getting a little bit thin, and I'm ready to go watch Superman. So I just wanted to give you a general idea of what it is that I'm looking at. I may duck out of this with 9 pips tonight, and you'll see that I've chickened out in real life. So sometimes this happens. I have the best of intentions, but I'm ready to go watch Superman. Alright guys, I'm losing my advantage. You're going to see me duck out tonight with about 7 pips. Alright, and we're out. Well guys, actually that was 25 pips. And I know what we're all thinking. I should have just ducked out with the 9. But at any rate guys, I just wanted to show you what a real life entry looked like. If I did not want to go and watch Superman, then, well, if I wasn't doing a video, then I could have placed stop losses. But just wanted to let you see what this looked like in real time. We only got about 25 pips tonight, but the European session is coming up. I hope you guys have a terrific trading week, and keep in mind you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific trading week.